and today we have with us Diksha Joshi.
Hi.
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 How are you?
I'm good, beta. How are you?
I am good. I am good, Seema auntie.
तुमने मुझे पहचान लिया, शादी की ना?
हाँ जी, अभी की है.
बस ऐसी लड़कियां मुझे पसंद है, जो नखरे करती है, नाक बहुत सिकोड़ती है, इससे कुछ नहीं होता.
मैंने भी बहुत नाक सिकोड़ा था.
बेटा सेटल तो होना पड़ेगा.
पर मैंने कॉम्प्रोमाइज भी नहीं किया.
चाहिए बेटा.
How are you, Diksha?
I am good.
I really love this character, but what character are you in right now?
No, so like I am basically a patient, but then to cover it up, I had to wear this robe and like pom poms and stuff. So now I'm like this. I feel like a pummy auntie. जो
That's why.
सीमा आंटी, पम्मी आंटी, जिन्होंने अभी बाल कलर करवाए हैं और ऐसे फैशनेबल चश्मे पहन के इंटरव्यू देने बैठी है, क्योंकि उनकी बेटी सुपरस्टार है. वो कुछ भी नहीं है, बट you know, auntie.
No, but I would want to know more about the character that you're playing for the film, जिसके set पे हम हैं अभी.
Yeah, so the character that I'm playing is a very crazy, wacky character. She's an insecure, super possessive girl.
Friend.
And she cannot even imagine her life without her boyfriend, right? So she's like so possessive that she goes all out. मतलब वो हद पार कर देती है. तो वैसा character है.
Oh, very nice, very nice. We've also gotten to know कि आप shift हुई हैं Bombay. So how is the new place and the new environment, and in that, of course, you've shifted here for career choices and stuff. But how has it been? Because of course the lockdown also happened. So how is it? Has it been a struggle or how?
So Bombay has this really, really fresh energy, and there's a sense of like everybody here wants to grow. Everybody here wants to develop themselves. Everybody here is looking for just a step ahead. They want to go a step ahead, and that has been my attitude since my childhood. मतलब मुझे growth के अलावा कुछ और आता नहीं है समझ में. मतलब I cannot be stagnant ever in terms of anything, you know, in my life. I just keep on wanting. I want to keep on learning. I want to keep on exploring new sides of my own, and I don't want to limit myself. So this is the best place for me, honestly, because I'm doing Gujarati films from here, and I'm doing like there's this film that I shot in Hindi also from here. So, and I'm even writing here, and there's this I don't know, even the people that I meet here are all very, very growth oriented, and there's just this energy in the city, yaar. Like everybody is just constantly running around, and I like that.
Correct. Also, you've been shooting for Gujarati films here and in Ahmedabad. So how is it different when it comes to functioning of the film and the crew and the professionalism? How is it different, or is it the same? How?
It's the same. मतलब मुझे कोई difference नहीं लगा है. Production house to production house पे depend करता है, but I think overall everybody has been the same. मतलब
okay.
It's been a very good experience overall. This is the first Gujarati film I'm shooting in Bombay. बाकी सब Ahmedabad और गुजरात में ही हुई है. And the Hindi film that I shot in Bombay, यार, okay, I'd just like to say one thing कि मुझे ना मेरे लिए खाना बहुत matter करता है. सेट का खाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Now I'm finally dieting, but the thing is that I still feel कभी-कभी मैं cheat करके वो सेट का खाना खा लेती हूँ. और मुझे गुजराती फिल्म का सेट का खाना पसंद है.
तुमको तेल थोड़ा गंदा पसंद है.
नहीं यार, but there's something about गुजराती फिल्म का सेट का खाना. It's good. It's just good. पता नहीं, यहाँ बॉम्बे में भी गुजराती फिल्म का सेट का अच्छा है, और बॉम्बे में हिंदी फिल्म का मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा था. तो मतलब I think maybe it was too healthy for me. I don't know.
I know, maybe it depends, as you said, production to production.
There are lots of foods there, and but मेरा ये होता है ना, मेरे को यार चटपटा चाहिए.
तरबूज काट के क्यों रखे हैं? खाना दो.
Yeah, I mean somebody else might totally enjoy it, but not me.
No, someone from a Gujarati का set, film set, they wouldn't enjoy.
Don't,
Yeah.
हमारे में ऐसा होता है कि डायरेक्टर का ऐसा होता है, अरे बेटा आई जा तू आ टमटम खमण खा ले, नहीं आ ढोकला से खा तू ले, आ खमणी खा यही होता है हमारा। तो मतलब मिसड़ पाव है आज, ये है वो है, वहाँ पे नहीं रहता है।
Look at our face.
ठीक है, इडली इंसान एक ही दिन खाएगा, रोज रोज इडली ऐसा।
Because that's healthy.
Because that's healthy and they expect you to be healthy.
कि वहाँ सेट पे बैठे बैठे ना वजन बढ़ जाए भैया।
जो अपना थाली आता है ना यार गुजराती सेट का, वो अलग ही है, कुछ उसमें जादू होता है।
बट हाँ, थोड़ा खाने से हट के बात करें दीक्षा। you're diving in food right now. Tell me about the film, the Hindi film that you're doing, the first ever Hindi film, like a big production and this that. So tell me more.
Technically this is the second Hindi film because 376D करके एक हिंदी फिल्म की थी। Yeah, this is the first Bollywood film maybe.
And a big.
Yeah, I mean if you start your career with YRF तो मतलब
It is a big deal, yeah.
मतलब ऐसा ही लगता है कि how did this happen in my life? I mean,
starring next to Ranveer Singh.
Yeah, so I'm playing his sister in the film, and so it was a crazy experience. Okay, like I like 100 other people got called for the auditions, so I gave my audition at the YRF office in Bombay, and my audition lasted pretty long. मतलब I think 3-4 hours or something. अच्छा लंबा खींचा. And then I got a call from Divyang, I think like 15-20 days later, saying that lead के लिए मैंने audition दिया था. So he said that रणवीर की बहन का role है, and it's very very good, and you shouldn't say no. Like why would I say no? ऐसे नहीं दिव्यांग, I won't say no. But wow, is this really happening? So he was like अभी final नहीं है, but Adi and Shanu have liked your audition. It's like Adi and Shanu मतलब Adi is Aditya Chopra. मतलब so I was really happy. And then later on जब भी मतलब ये फिर वापस से दिव्यांग का आया, आई थिंक 1-2 महीने लगे आराम से उन लोग को डिसाइड करने में, बिकॉज रत्ना पाठक शाह was finalized as the mom, Baman Irani was the dad, then Ranveer, then his sister had to look also like a part of their family, right? So वो हो गया मैच, and everybody was really like okay with it. So I got a call from Divyang saying that it's happening, and I couldn't believe it. मतलब मुझे लगे मैं जब तक साइन नहीं की ना तब तक मैं मान नहीं पा रही थी।
Correct, of course, नहीं मानना चाहिए।
तो मुझे बस वही हार्ट ब्रेक का डर लगा रहता है, तो मैं नहीं मानी, but then I signed and I was like, wow, this is really happening.
How was it to work with Ranveer Singh? Like, were you influenced kind of a thing, and did it affect you in your performance, or you were just fine next to him?
No,
or
I was
whatever?
fine next to him. It was like he was very supportive. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक तो उसकी एनर्जी बहुत कंटेजियस है, but then मेरी भी वही एनर्जी है।
No, we are like literally brother sisters.
So I think बहुत अच्छे से हो गया यार। Like we had this one scene जो कि रात को शूट था पूरा, and in which he had to literally, it was very difficult for him because he had to cry और मतलब बहुत उसमें, but then it turned out to be so beautiful and बहुत ही मस्त, मुझे मज़ा आया उसमें, and there are other scenes also in which the both of us are there, and I think overall the vibe of the set was very good. मतलब especially if I talk about the actors, तो Baman sir, Ratna ma'am, then Shalini, the one who's playing Ranveer's wife, Ranveer, ये सब लोगों के साथ ही मतलब ऐसा फील ही नहीं हो रहा था that I'm working with these legends who I've like grown up watching. You know, I felt like, okay, this is an actor who I'm working with, and this is an amazing person, you know. And Ratna ma'am के साथ तो अच्छे से conversations हुई 2-3 मेरी, and I felt like, wow, okay, this is the woman who I absolutely adore. और I'm yet to watch her plays. अभी तो खैर सब बंद हो गया है, but once everything is reopened, I'm sure I'm going to go watch her plays, and I want to see her perform live, and I love her acting so much. मतलब her voice, her poise, the way she's convinced about her character.
Especially her Maya Sarabhai role. I think you can mimic that.
Ooh, Monisha. That's too down market. रोसेश बेटा नहीं करना है हमको. इंदु तुम ही समझाओ ना. The expressions she used to give were all priceless, yaar.
And it looked so natural that, you know, that is how she is. Like Indra Madan. That Indra Madan used to be like the on point Indra Madan. That he's gone now. He's dead.
So yeah, man. So like just like the first hi that I said to these people was so warm that I felt like family. It was an amazing experience, of course, and Ranveer, of course, like with him. So this is the first time that I worked with a star, such a big star, you know, and so I think वो मेरा पूरा वो जो एक था ना एक आप इमेज एक बिल्ड करते हो अपने दिमाग में अबाउट बॉलीवुड अबाउट वर्किंग इन दी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वो पूरा ब्रेक हो गया सो अभी मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ.
Nice. Acha, you've been away from family for quite some time because of your work and because of lockdown and everything else. Do you miss your family, especially Lolly for that matter?
So Lolly passed away recently and it was very heartbreaking, but the weirdest thing is
Because you were not there.
I was not there, but I was in Ahmedabad the day she passed.
Oh, okay.
So मैं 2 दिन के ही लिए थी and that's when she passed away.
Oh God.
So everybody was like, maybe she was just waiting for you. So of course I miss them and I mean, I miss home, of course I do. But it's just that sometimes you need to really accept your reality that, okay, this is my reality now. And life has changed. It is going to change for the better. Yeah, so of course the missing is unbearable at times, but everything comes with its own perks and you know, pluses and minuses. So abhi jis space mein main hu, just there's so much of work and there's like, this is the period of, you know, working. This is the next 3-4 years or maybe 5 years is what I get to really pour all of my energy into my work. So I really told myself to focus. Like, that is the focus. That is the priority.
Yes, your love for dogs, especially, like you also want to come up with something that's a dream, like, you know, to build a shelter house for them or come up with an NGO to protect them. And
Absolutely, it's not just for dogs, it's for like all animals in general, but dogs and cats especially because they're the most easiest to find. And I want to, like, that's what I want to do with the money that I earn in future. I want to build a shelter home for all sorts of animals. I want to even contribute to people who are not privileged enough, but at the same time contribute money in a very constructive way for them. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि दान कर दिए पैसे, पर उन पैसों का कुछ या तो एक स्कूल बना के या तो कुछ एक ऐसी जगह बना के जहाँ पे उनके लिए रोजगार हो, where they're employed. ऐसा कुछ भी करना है आगे जाके.
nice.
Without getting into politics, that is.
Without even getting there to publish about it or anything like this. Yeah,
Want to be like anonymous, but like secretly doing things.
I know. Also, when we talk about your girlfriends, there's a whole tribe you have here as well, like Fioma, Isha, Shraddha, whenever she comes here for work. How is it with them? Like, are you guys good friends and there's healthy competition, or there's no competition at all, or it's just more friends and that's it? Because it's an industry. Yeah.
मेरी जाने तो सब अहमदाबाद में है. Like my best friend Ishita, Sukhda, Riya, Uttara. These are like my lifelines, I would say. They're in Ahmedabad. Ishita was in Mumbai also, but because of the lockdown, she's in Ahmedabad now. I miss them too much. That's one part of my life that I miss insanely here. And but then the good thing is that I have Vyoma, Isha here, and Shraddha, of course, whenever she comes. But I have these two girls here, you know. So I know that tomorrow if there's anything that I want to talk about, and I share that comfort level with girls, like we share, girls share it with girls, right? वो तुम्हारा night out में ही वो बातें निकलती हैं, वो अंदर की भड़ास है जो भी वो night out में ही निकलती है. तो वैसा रिलेशनशिप है कि बहुत ज़्यादा समझती हैं वो मुझे, और मैं भी बहुत समझती हूँ उनको. तो कंपटीशन वाइज यार, हेल्दी कंपटीशन अभी इसमें ऐसा है कि ऑफ कोर्स सेम फिल्म्स गेट ऑफर्ड टू अस, वो तो होता ही
Because
है.
it's a small industry.
Because it's a small industry, the same films get offered to me, to Vyoma, to Isha, and that's happened in the past. It's still happening. But the thing is that that has not stopped us from being friends, or you know, like hard feelings नहीं होते, because पहले तो हम कुछ गलत कर नहीं रहे.
It's work, ना?
It's work, and it's not even like we are cheating each other. ऐसा भी नहीं है वो. And the other thing is that we really understand each other, and we have a very strong bond, which I think will not be weakened because of these things. मतलब एक project आए जाए उसमें फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, पर उसकी वजह से friendship नहीं टूटनी चाहिए. And I think they think the same, तो वो नहीं होता है.
Thank you so much, but in the end there's this one request, because I know that you mimic a lot of characters. I would want you to mimic Seema Taparia in a kid's way.
In a kid's way.
Like a छोटा चेतन kid talking about Seema Taparia.
बेटा ये क्या पहन के आई हो? तमीज नाम की चीज नहीं है क्या तुम्हें? टांगे दिखाना ये ही करती है ना आजकल की लड़कियां, इसीलिए नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें कोई अच्छा लड़का.
क्यों?
तुम्हें भी तुम्हारे ही तरीके का लड़का मिलेगा. बेटा कॉम्प्रोमाइज तो करना पड़ेगा.
चड्डा पहन के आएगा ना मेरा वाला लड़का तो.
हाय राम, these girls of today, I'm telling you, I'm fed up. I'm fed up and I can't take the responsibility, Baba. It is too much for me. ठीक है? जाओ घर जाओ.
कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करूंगी मैं.
तुम्हें कौन बोल रहा है? इनको कौन बोल रहा है? बस सब काट दो. चलो जाओ.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you
for all your time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe this channel.